Hello engineers, welcome to another lecture on stern tube arrangement. Last lectures we were discussed about the whole constructional details of this stern tube arrangement, right? What is aft ceiling carrier, what is chrome liner, what actually called aft chrome liner, what is the basics difference between the aft chrome liner and forward chrome liner. Please write it down. Mostly, always and frequently asked question. Later, means in upcoming lectures, I will going to tell you about the materials of the chrome liner, materials of the seals, clear. But in these lectures, we're going to focus about again some more component and terminology, important terminology, which is mostly always and frequently asked by each and every MMD surveyor. So what is aft chrome liner? What is forward chrome liner? Aft chrome liner is bolted to the propeller boss. Aft chrome liner is secured through bolting arrangement to a propeller boss. This is your, see, this is your aft chrome liner, right? This one is aft chrome liner, and which is bolting. There is one bolting arrangement between this aft chrome liner and the propeller boss. Means this aft chrome liner is bolted to the propeller boss, right? There is bolting arrangement here. Any doubt? Now what about forward chrome liner? Again, this forward chrome liner is bolted with the clamping ring, right? Don't get confused between the aft chrome liner and forward chrome liner. And there is one small o-ring. This is the small o-ring, right? Any doubt? What is aft ceiling carrier? Clear? What is stern frame, aft fig bulkhead? Definition itself में मैंने आपको बता दिया था. Clear? Distance piece और spacer ring, same things है. And now, अब what is stern tube cooling water tank? Why it is provided? यहाँ पर मैंने आपको बताया ना, this one is stern tube cooling water tank. अब now, later in my upcoming lectures, I will going to tell you about this arrangement. What this arrangement is called? Stern tube bearing arrangement. How lubrication takes place? ये कैसे लोड को कैरी कर रहा है? All things, bush arrangement and everything upcoming lectures में मैं समझाऊंगा. Other parts हम लोग पूरी क्लियर है. What is forward seal, aft seal? क्लियर. ये दो आउटवर्ड फेस है. क्यों है? सो दैट योर सी वाटर इंग्रेस ना कर पाए इनसाइड योर इंजन रूम. एंड दिस इनवर्ड फेस क्यों है? सो दैट योर ऑयल कांट लीक आउटसाइड. गेटिंग और नोट? क्लियर और नोट? तो दीज आर द थिंग्स. अब नाउ व्हाट इज स्टर्न ट्यूब कूलिंग वाटर टैंक? ईच एंड एवरीथिंग्स आर वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट. प्लीज राइट इट डाउन. सो स्टर्न ट्यूब कूलिंग वाटर tank. So to keep the oil cool, and also in case if we have lubrication failure, because these oil will cooled by a cooler which is provided in the system. But cooler, with the help of cooler heat exchange हो रहा है, heat transfer हो रहा है. Clear? So उससे आपकी oil cool हो रही है. But which is provided in the system, but some ships this cooler is not provided. So these tank will always be filled with water up to a certain level. These tanks, these are the stern tube cooling water tank, filled water up to a certain level. So in case of lubrication failure, कुछ ships में कूलर प्रोवाइड नहीं होते हैं. सो इन केस ऑफ लुब्रिकेशन फेलियर, विद द हेल्प ऑफ the water which is present inside the stern tube cooling water tank, lubrications provide की जाएगी. Clear? So this tank will always be filled with water up to a certain level so as to maintain a temperature of the oil, as well as in case you have a lubrication failure, then this tank will provide one alternate cooling. But one condition है, surveyor always wants to listen from you all, but इंजन की आरपीएम आपको स्लो डाउन करनी होगी. We need to slow down the engine RPM, right? Any doubt? Clear? कोई डाउट? So these are the purpose of stern tube cooling water tank. अब कोई डाउट? See, don't worry, this bearing and bush part that we will discuss later. Separate lectures होगी. Hydrodynamic lubrication, or better to say stern tube lube oil lubrication in bearing. वो वाली part में मैं discuss करूँगा. Now again important, mostly always and frequently asked question. Mostly asked, always asked, frequently asked question in your stern tube arrangement. What is garter spring arrangement? Clear? So seals that are pressed against the chrome liner. See, this is your seals. Agree? This is your seals. Agree? This is your seals. Red one is your seals. Now, these cells is cannot directly connected with the shaft. Agree? Already taught to in very first lectures only. So these seals are connected with the chrome liner. Clear? So now read this sentence. Seals that are pressed against the chrome liner by spring. Please write it down. इसलिए मैं आपको लिख कर नोट्स दे रहा हूं, आपके लिए इजी होगा. Clear? Yes. Seal that are pressed against the chrome liner by spring. So see. So these are the seals. These are the seals, and this is your chrome liner. Again, this one is your chrome liner. Again, this one is your chrome liner. Forward chrome liner. This one is aft chrome liner. Aft chrome liner. Forward chrome liner. Forward chrome liner. Right? So seals that are pressed against the. तो ये क्या है? See. ये क्या है? Pressed. Pressed against the chrome liner. So जो ये pressed हो रहा है ना, with the help of some spring force के चलते pressed हो रहा है, and that spring is called garter spring. Seals which are pressed against the chrome liner by one spring, and that spring is called garter spring. It is like that. समझ रहे हो? यहां पर एक spring होगा. Again, there is one spring, right? Clear? Any doubt? So see, suppose this is your seal, right? And this one is your what? This is your chrome liner, maybe aft or forward chrome liner, aft chrome liner. Clear? So this seal pressed against this chrome liner by this one. What is this? Spring. Clear? It's called garter spring. Any doubt? Simple है. बस इतना ही बोलना है सर्वेयर को, बहुत ज्यादा एक्सप्लेन नहीं करना है. So that spring is used to fit this seal. Basically, this spring is used to fit the seal on the surface of the chrome liner. Clear? Any doubt? So in this lectures we were discussed about the purpose of stern tube cooling water arrangement. What is garter spring arrangement? Next lectures we will discuss about some important materials. छोटी छोटी वीडियो में लेक्चर्स प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं so that each and everyone better understanding होगी and आप बोर भी नहीं होगे. चलो, all the best.